Hey guys, so I realized when I taught you about scanning, I taught you on a posterior, not realizing that you were going to start scanning on an anterior. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of the nuances of scanning on anterior teeth. So one of the important things is to still start scanning from, instead of the occlusal, the incisal edge. I saw a lot of you coming in straight from the front and scanning that lingual first. Really important to bring that scanner in. And when I come in from the opposite side of the mouth. So in this case, I'm scanning number 8. I'm coming in from what would be the left side of the mouth. If I were scanning number 9, I would basically just flip it around and come from the other side. All right, so when I start scanning, I'm going to start right on the incisal. And what I'm going to do is then move it and capture all those incisal edges. And my goal is to capture both a little bit of the facial surface, the lip side, and a little bit of the roof of the mouth side, the lingual surface as well at the same time. So that gives us our basis just like we would have for the occlusals, and that way we can build the rest of the scan from there. And this is what it looks like in real time. So right now my scanner is struggling a little bit, so I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to switch it to model mode, and we're going to see if that helps a little bit. Remember, model mode just turns the light intensity of the light down. It just makes it a little bit easier to capture those really glossy plastic teeth. Just first type it on scanning, which is exactly what you guys are doing. So remember, gotta build your base first, and then you're gonna go in and basically capture all that additional data to fill in those little gaps. So same fundamental principles that I taught you the other day. And a lot of you, when I saw you scanning, and it was your very first time, basically abandoned everything that I had told you because it was a different situation. But really, it's not that different. Scanning anteriors, you just have to get used to how the scanner moves. Okay, scanning anteriors is more difficult than scanning posteriors, so kind of threw you to the wolves a little bit, but also notice that I'm holding the Typodont in my hand. I find that's a little bit easier when scanning a Typodont than putting it on the desktop and trying to scan it like that.